Mr. P. Yeah, Mr. P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Mr. P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another DIY. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, we're still with popping. Y'all know we like to get to the point, but before I get started, today I just wanted to let y'all know I am showing y'all how I got this cute, y'all the words. I know I said it already in the intro, but let me show y'all these cute cookies. I'm gonna go take you some pictures. I got this out of my man's jersey or whatever, but my camera's is bad. But exclusive pieces only. Y'all know how we do it over here. But I just wanted to thank everybody because your girl went viral. Then I put up a video after that, the week after on my TikTok, and it got like 40,000 views. So comment through, okay? Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. But enough of that talking. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned to keep watching.
Black girl, look at that black girl. The queen.
Hey babes, so y'all already know we like to get right into the video. So this is my man jersey that he was about to throw away. Of course, y'all already know your girl had to get creative with it. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 5K. It's enough room for everybody over here. So I use this ruler trying to show out for y'all, knowing I don't really, use the ruler. But anyway, so I'm thick, so I cut as close as to the Cub logo as I could, because I need all the material that I can. So I'm going to take my little shorts here. My man bought me these from Fashion Nova. They so soft, y'all. But I'm going to just cut literally this piece of fabric right here. That's it. That's all we need the shorts for, literally. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, and you should have something that looks like this. And then we're going to turn it to where we see the seam right here, but of course we want to flip it again so it can be inside out. And I pointed out the areas that we're going to pin up, and then we're going to pin them and sew. Okay y'all, so now we are sewing up the spots that I was telling y'all. But y'all, I am just so freaking proud of myself. I am growing on all of my social media platforms. I am just happy. I don't have any worries in my life right now. Like, I am truly blessed, highly favored, and very appreciative. But I thank y'all so much, like literally. But this is what it should be looking like. And of course, y'all know what we do to one side, we're going to do to the other. So right here, we're going to flip them to what we just sewed at. And you see we got this little piece right here. And it kind of automatically forms like a little line. So we're just going to literally cut both of those just to where we sew. Make sure you don't cut any of the thread that you just sewed. So of course this is the crotch area, and we're just going to go ahead and pin those together and sew it, of course. And y'all, I've been getting so many sales for custom orders. People been wanting stuff for birthdays. Like, it's just like y'all coming to me for exclusive stuff. And yes, I am going to accomplish and murder all of that so now we are literally just sewing the crotch area. And this is what it should look like. So now let's go into the top. So y'all, literally I am just going to be cutting a big rectangle, literally. And this is just going to be for the front of the halter top, if that's what you want to call it. So I'm using my ruler here to give it a little more straight effect. So I did not hem the top at all. I just left it as is, and you cannot really tell. So right here, y'all, I can't really explain what's going on, but the shorts of course was too small, so we had extra fabric from the top. So I decided to use the collar part I had to try this on and pin it up while it was on the body, so this part wasn't detailed. But yes, I had to use the collar part for the top of my shorts. And y'all, let's just say I was so thick that I had to force my way into it, of course, because remember, this is for the neck. But I was able to get in it and it fit my waist perfect. So the shorts look super crazy, but you'll see the whole outfit at the end. So right here I did use my seam stripper to take these off of the arms, if y'all can remember them being there. So I just took them apart, and this is what we got. So I tried it on, measured it, and I did 2 of these, and we just gonna go ahead and do the other. And I'm just showing y'all because, you know, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, why didn't you show what you did, yada yada yada. So right here I am taking them off of the sleeve part, and right now I am pinning them to where I need. Of course, I didn't need the whole thing because these do stretch, so I tried it on and fit it accordingly. So now we're just going to literally sew down these, and that's about it, y'all. I ain't make a purse this time. I had enough fabric to do so, but I didn't make a purse. I feel like this was enough. I took a bomb ass photo shoot, so make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram and TikTok so y'all can see those. When I say bomb, I definitely took a bomb photo shoot. This is looking like another viral moment for me. But anywho, I love y'all so much, like for real. But this is it. This is how it's looking. Yeah, and of course y'all know I'm going to go ahead and put that shit on, so watch into the end. Alright, bye. Okay, y'all, so this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. Follow me on all social media platforms, and I'm out.